Sheesh! Kellen! Focus up, YouTube. Way out here, you already know the vibrations. Kel's out with another light. Your light's not on. Hey, your light's not on.
Yeah, no.
Your spider light.
Yeah, no.
Say what the fuck is up to the YouTube.
Hi.
No. Say what the fuck is up.
The fuck is up?
Alright, he's not feeling
Where
it.
is it?
Let's go.
So they're following me.
See.
Is it already out there? Wow.
Do you want to get the speaker? You have a trio? No, you have to leave them up.
Yeah. No, I
Yes, you can. That's some excitement. Grab one of these waters. Thanks, shorty. So it feels like to be in a static car. Oh, shit!
not one that's on drugs.
Bye, guys. This is Kel's channel now. Window. Can I put the window down? Sure. Are you sure? Are you gonna get mad?
Not all the way.
Oh, sorry. Bleep.
Oh, fuck yeah.
Oh, wait, clip in the clip when we heard the tome right here. Tome with the tome.
You're gonna use this clip.
Oh my god, yes I am. Why would you?
You're gonna clip like half of it.
No,
out.
I'm not. When do I clip anything out? I always leave everything in.
Always.
No, I do not. Kel's capping, guys.
No, I'm not.
He says I'm not gonna use this.
I don't know
clip.
if like,
Yo, put this diff in all the way back. Kel's car is outside. I shouldn't do that because there's bumps. You can't see my eyes. Oh my god.
hit it.
Oh shit. Your car makes me horny when I hear the pause. Oh, is that cue for me to roll the window up? Sorry. I know you don't want to hear this, but your side skirt's gone.
No, it's not.
This side is.
No, it's not.
Okay. Damn! Yo, that's icy, bro. Get it? Look, it's you. Hey.
Because I worked all this.
See the resemblance?
Wait, you're letting him.
Wait. Why? Come here. Come here. Why you get so nervous?
It's not big enough.
What?
Like, that is not big enough.
Bro, Kel, like, it looks like you just nutted all over your car. Alright. Easy. Dude, can you not vape in the videos? God damn it. Not bad. Your lights are flickering. Dude, that's sick. I don't know. Can you take a hit? Oy, qué rico. Kel tinted his own windows. Make sure to hit him up. Here's his phone number on the screen. See? He put black, but he has chrome on the outside. So you can't really see anything. It's dark right now, but during the day we'll show you guys again. Oh. Yeah. See? So, boom. Damn. Dark as hell. Some poppies? Oh my God. Ah. Damn. Everybody brought their car out. I'm the only one. Even Mike.
Who's on that though?
I don't know. Manuel's rich homies.
Probably.
Yeah, so this is Michelangelo's car. I like it. Y'all seen this one? Tayden, Brendan, Lando, Liam.
Do ba 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 do boo doo a boo ba do ba do boo boo ba do a do ba do ba do ba do ba do do do.
No, you're not.
You know what the fuck going on YouTube? We got the lineup going on. We got little stupid ass alignments.
It's not fucking
We got
focused.
IS300. We got junk ass Subaru. We got the best car here. Intro done. Grab your ankles and cough. Grab your ankles and cough, bitch.
Hey guys.
Hey guys.
What happened?
I'm running.
Again?
I'm running spacers on stock tires, so every time I
It's okay.
hit.
No need for explanation. It's okay. It's
bugs
the
my
Die
shit.
Manuel. He is Die Mayada Poppy.
I got wheels. I'll run them spring
It's
time.
okay. You don't have to explain yourself, bro.
I got wheels. I fixed it though. I fixed it. It's fucked, but you know.
This fool don't know how to be low, as you can see. Fuck.
Hey, put the drogas away. Okay, but show us how to do that.
Have they shipped yet?
Show us how to. He already has them. Look at this angle.
I have them already.
They already came.
Yeah, they're just sitting in my house.
What the fuck?
Yeah.
Gas, Miata.
Yeah, Subaru.
Oh, there's the Corsa. Dallins. And then Andrews. Dallins, Andrews. Dallin, Andrews. Sick. Sick Chemica. That's Dallin. And then that's Andrew. Hey.
Whatever you want, yeah, I'm on too. Sip a little purse, more strong, both strong. We've been through thick and thin, but you
Hey. See Kema or no Chemica?
No English, man. It's sorry.
been through thick and thin, but you thick as shit. So dumb on the dick like you illiterate. Sipping 1942 up in the Vic. When I pull it out to bust, she eat the kids. When the legs on my shoulders, I hit a wrist. Bitch, watch out, cause my diamonds hidden. I'm addicted to that mouth, ain't no way I'm quitting. When I'm busting all the pills, I be getting jiggy.
I'm trying to get pictures of our win. I can't.
They ain't letting you, huh?
Can't do it, brother. Where's the hose?
Dallin H photos out here? You actually came outside?
I don't know what I'm.
Look at him.
This is so funny, bro. What the fuck? Hello, Aussie Vlogs. Slump out here. Slump out here. Comment, subscribe. Like, comment, subscribe. We personally, I'll.
Hey, watch out! Like, comment, and subscribe.
Hey, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe to my boy's channel.
You know what it
Fuck
is.
around. Fuck, you got this was my boy.
Oh shit.
I have to piss and this shit happens.
Let's all pick it up.
God damn.
You can't be doing that. You can't be doing that.
Okay.
I'm not gonna come out until open it out.
Hey, wait.
Got to the rescue!
Hey, get into it. I was gonna. I know. We got kicked out. Popo 5-0. Like, there's some more cops right here.
Yeah, player, on my teeth go, damn player, I still can't sleep though, yeah, player, I be that sheep beater, wolf creeper, but disguised as the grim reaper, sad player, I be that sad player, damn player, thought you was money making, yeah, player, don't change that, I'm forsaken, great player, third razor, left at you bitches hating, yeah, player.
This thing is so sick. Me like it. Me gusta mucho el automobile. That's the front lip Kel needs. Hey, where the fuck Kel go?
What the fuck going on? Ooh! Ooh! I'll fucking fly him through.
Hey, yo, hey. Hey, both of you combined could play in the NBA.
It's me, Mario.
That sucked.
I was like, the ball's still there. That's all. Oh, Brendan.
Okay, there's some base away. Brendan, put them cheeks out. Poke them out. Damn! Buns, bro.
Oh, that's gone.
El gato.
Hey.
Another ball, puto.
Hey, any words before you hit this? Any words?
Cock and ball torture is nice.
Okay. Let's.
My shit now. Here's another one. I hate you. Oh, that's mine, you dick.
One over here.
Short. He's doing short.
We doing mighty fine.
Mighty fine. Hey, how we doing over here?
We're doing good. I'm above Brendan. Fuck that bitch. Scoreboard.
Yup.
Brendan.
Yeah.
2 above.
Okay.
Hey, fuck that fool Ozzy. He's bagged.
Damn, Mike, you fucking suck. Who the fuck are they on?
Until it get hollow. Shit, I might sip out this bottle, just drowning my sorrows. Drowning my sorrows, be better tomorrow. Cause these broken dreams is as hard as it gets. My nigga died at only 25. I'm thanking God for letting me see him.